You and the local government of Quezon City. Palakpakan naman po natin muli ang ating buliting alcalde. And now, ladies and gentlemen, up next, let us hear a message coming from a passionate advocate of the local tourism, a dynamic, and of course, an enthusiastic leader, of course, the president of the Quezon City Travel Agencies Association Incorporated. Put your hands together for Miss Margie De Castro.
Okay, thank you, JC, for that nice introduction. And wow, Mayor, grabe talaga ang Quezon City. Another round of applause for Mayor Joy Bello. Actually, ma'am, what you have said a while ago with regards to the Quezon City tourism, nilagay ko talaga sa isip ko kasi may assignment ako after lunch. It's because one of the five-star hotel in Quezon City nagbigay ng assignment sa akin. We will create, with QCTA, we'll create optional tours for Quezon City. So, naisip ko kanina yung sinabi mo, pwede na one day tour for Quezon City within the circle, no? Pwede na. At least, one down na ako kanina. Mamaya kasi, pinapasubmit ako ng, parang, sa optional tours within Quezon City lang talaga. And, in addition to what Mayor had said, we have here, ina-announce kanina, we will have a new office for our VFS, a platform for visa application, usually Schengen, and now the Japan. So we have a new office in K3. So at least, hindi lang Makati, may Quezon City na tayo in addition to that. Anyway, magpupunin ko muna ako, ma'am. So, a pleasant morning to everyone. Parang hindi nakapag-almusal. A pleasant morning to everyone. Okay. So, to our distinguished partners from Quezon City local government, headed by our visionary, legendary Mayor Joy Belmonte, whose visionary leadership continues to open doors for tourism and enterprise. And to our friends from Department of Tourism, represented by Ms. Agustin, R.D. Agustin, whose tireless efforts keep the Philippines on the global map. To my fellow Quezon City Travel Agency members, our exhibitors, partners, and valued guests, welcome and thank you for joining us in this celebration of the travel, culture, and opportunity. So today, we proudly open the QCTA More to Explore Travel Expo, a vibrant showcase of destinations, experiences, and partnerships. This is not just a marketplace of travel offers, but it is a collective statement that tourism is alive, resilient, and ready to soar high, especially in Quezon City. Our theme, Quezon City, a more to explore, kinuha din namin kasi ito na yung branding ng Quezon City. So we made it QCTA More to Explore. It is an invitation to see beyond the usual, to discover the hidden, and to embrace the richness of both local and international experiences. Yet, even as we celebrate, we must also acknowledge the challenges of our local tourism industry faces, like what Mayor had said a while ago, sustainability concerns. How do we protect our natural, cultural, and treasure from over-tourism? Infrastructure accessibility gaps, How do we make it beautiful destinations easier and safer to reach? So we have market recovery after global crisis. How do we rebuild confidence and demand in competitive world? Limited exposure for emerging destination. How do we ensure our hidden gems get the spotlight they deserve? So these challenges, however, are being met with solutions and strong initiatives, and thanks to the commitment of our government, both local and national. So the Department of Tourism continues to launch programs that support sustainable tourism, promote local destinations, enhance infrastructures, and provide training to elevate service quality. The Quezon City LGU in particular has been steadfast in positioning our city as a tourism and business hub. Yun, sinabi na yun ni Mayor kanina. Creating opportunities for local enterprise and fostering events like this Travel Expo that connects travelers to experiences. So as industry stakeholders, we must complement initiatives with our own creativity, adaptability, and commitment to service. By working hand in hand with government, with private sector, and our communities, we can ensure that tourism becomes not just an economic driver, but a force for cultural pride and environmental stewardship. So to all our guests today, explore every booth, engage with our exhibitors, and let your curiosity lead you to your next adventure. Behind every package, here lies a story waiting to be experienced and journey waiting to be taken. So in behalf of Quezon City Travel Agencies Association, we thank you for your support, especially the LGU, as well as our national government, the DOT, and all for your presence and your belief in the power of travel. Together, let us explore more, protect more, and share more that what makes our destination truly extraordinary. So maraming salamat for this expo, and hope it will inspire us to see that there is always more to explore. Thank you.